Good morning, everyone. My name is Selina Salim Rajput, and today I would like to read Genesis chapter 19 for Vasai, Pakistan. The two angels arrived to the Sodom and at the evening, and Lot was sitting in the gateway of the city. When he saw them, he got up to meet them and bowed down with his face to the ground. My lord, he said, please turn aside to your servant's house. You can wash your feet and spend the night on then go on your way earlier to the morning. No, they answered, we will spend the night in the square. But he insisted so strongly, and they did not be with him and entered his house. He prepared a meal for them, baking bread without yeast, and they ate. Before they before they had gone to bed, all they need from every part of the city of Sodom, both young and old, surrounded the house. They called to Lot, where are the men who came tonight? Bring them out to the so that we can have with them. And went outside to meet them and shut the door behind him and said, no, my friends, don't do the wicked them thing. Look, I have two daughters who have never slept with a man. Let me bring them out the you and you can do the what you like with them. But don't do anything to these men from for they have come under the protection of the roof. Get get out get out or for the way. They replied and they said, his fellow came here and the aliens, and now he wants to play the judge. Will treat you worse than them. They kept bringing pressure on the lot and moved forward to break down the door. But the man inside reached out the flute and back into the house and shut the door. Then they struck and the man were who door of the house, young and old, with the blindness so that they could not be find the door. Then two men said to Lot, do you have any as here, son-in-law, sons or daughters, or anyone else in the city who belongs to you? Get them out of here because we are going to destroy this place. And outcry to the Lord against its peoples is so great, and he has sent us to destroy it. So Lord went out and spoke his two son-in-law and were places to marry his daughter. He asks, hurry and get out the place, because the Lord is about to destroy the city. But his son-in-law thought he is joking. With the coming of the dawn, an angel urged Lot, saying, hurry, take your wives and your daughter and your two daughters who are here, or you will be swept and away that city to punish. When he hesitated, and man grasped his hand and hand to his wife and his two daughters and led them safely and of the city. For the Lord was merciful to them. As soon as they had brought them out from one of the said, flee for your lives. Don't look back and don't stop anywhere. In the plain, flee to the mountains, or you will swept away. But the Lord said to them, no, my Lord, please, your servant has found favor in your eyes. And Sadham shown great kindness to me and sparing my life. But I can't flee to the mountains, they'll destroy and overtake me, and I'll die. Look, here is the town near enough to run to, and it is small. Let us flee to it. It was a very small, isn't it? Then my life will be spared. He was to him, very well, I will great to request you, I will not be overthrow the town you speak of. But flee of the quickly was the not everything until you reach it. That is why the town was called Zoar. By the time of Lot reaches Zoar, the sun had risen over the land. Then the Lord rained down burned sulfur on the Sodom and Gomorrah from the Lord outside the heaven, thus to the over you. those cities and the entire plain, including all those living in the city and also the vegetations in the land. But Lot's wife looked back and she became a pillar of salt. Pillar of salt. Earlier the next morning, Abraham got up and returned to the place where he had stood before the Lord. He looked down towards Sodom and Gomorrah, towards all the lands and of the plain. He saw distant smoke rising from the land like smoke of the furnace. So when God destroyed the city of the plain, he remembered Abraham and brought out of the catastrophe or that over the Lord city where the Lord lived. Lot and his daughter. Lot and his two daughters left Zoar and settled the mountains, for he had affair to stay to Zoar. He was two daughters lived in a cave. One day the older daughter said to the younger daughter, "One father is old, and there was no man around here is lie with us, as is custom all over the earth. Let's get our father to drink wine, and then lie with him and preserve our family line through our father." The night they go their father to drink wine, and the older daughter went in the lay with him. He was not aware to she, and she lay down, or way when she got up. The next day the older daughter said to the younger daughter, "Last night I lay with my father. Let's get the drink and wine again tonight, and you go in your lie and him, so we can pressure your family line throughout father." So they got their father to drink wine and that also night, and the younger daughter went the lay with him. Again he was not aware of it when she lay down or when she got up. So both of Lot's daughters became by their father. The older daughter had a son and she named him Moab, and he and his father of a Moabites of today. The younger daughter also had a son and the name of Ben Ami. He is the father of Amorites to today. Amen.